up, or actually ordered online, these 12 alcohol ink markers with assorted colors from Five Below for my daughter. It was $5 for a package of 12, and I don't think you can beat the price for that. I think I calculated it out to about 43 cents a marker for alcohol ink markers. Is just ridiculous. The downside to this is that it says that it's assorted colors. It doesn't give you an option here. So let's go and try to put them in some kind of an order here. So blue to green, green to yellow. Not really sure what this yellow ochre. Alright, we'll stick it down here. And Terra Cotta. I'll give those to the yellow family. Alright, so putting them in color order here, what I am seeing, and the nice thing about these dual tip markers is that they do have a number and they do have a name. What that corresponds to, I don't know. But so the tips that we have are just a traditional nib on this end, and it's the thinner color. Here's the thinner color, and then the thicker color on this end is a chisel. That's a pretty hefty chisel. And so these are alcohol ink markers. I've put them kind of in a color spectrum here, starting with red, ending up with the black. The black one, wow, this one is hard to tell which end is which, because it, it's black and it doesn't, I don't know if it has the stripe or not, but anyway. Alright, we'll just, if we put the D in dual down on all of them, yeah, the sticker works that way. Okay, so the D corresponds to the thick end, and we'll use that for the black. So let's just give these a try and see how they go. I have a scrap piece of cardstock here. It is not anything special. It is not a marker paper or made for markers or anything like that. So, okay, so this one seems kind of pale. I'm not sure how much ink is in there, and the bleed through is not terrible. So, whoa, that is fluorescent compared to that label. Wow. Wasn't really expecting that. This one, it says vermilion. That looks more to me like a cherry red. Let's go with this one, ultramarine. Ultramarine to me means blue, not purple. And that might be why they were at Five Below. Let's see, with this one that I didn't say says it's fluorescent, and it is definitely a fluorescent. That first one was Cosmos. That's the name of a flower. Cerulean blue. Okay, so that's like ocean color. Napoleon blue. Okay, didn't know he had a color. That thick stroke is really, it's a nice size for a thickness there. Mint green light. Alright, let's see how mint green that is. The label is a little bit lighter. Actually, the color of my daughter's car. But not the color the marker makes. The marker is a little bit darker. Not terrible. I mean, it corresponds. Forest green. Let's see. A little bright for a forest green, but not bad. And I drew over the thin line there. Alright, now we're into the yellows. Pastel yellow. Does definitely look like it has some green to it. Even if I cover up the green, it does look like it has some green to it. This one, yellow ochre, brown. Looks like a light tan brown. Alright, what's this one? Terra Cotta. Woo! Terra Cotta is more of a bricky brown color. This is orange to me. And the black. Black is going to be black. Okay, so there is our range of colors. So let's see what happens if we take, I'm just going to take this greenish yellow and go over these blues here and kind of see what we get. So there's an example of the overcoloring. And like I said, this is not a marker paper, so it may blend better on a marker paper. But I have something here that's like it. This is more like a Yupo paper. Let me grab a piece here. I have these postcards that are made out of chrome coat, which is very, very much like Yupo paper, which would work great with alcohol ink markers. So let's see. We got, wow, that's just so smooth. Smooth, smooth, smooth. So blue, what if we put some red over the blue? We should get a purple color, yeah. Not sure we're getting an orange though. I really have to work the yellow into that to get an orange. So there we go. See what it looks like blending wise. And it does. I mean, the red is pretty intense. I don't know if you can see that it's creating an orange, but over here we are seeing some orange. There's yellow. The blue and the yellow did definitely do a green. The blue and the red did make a purple. I can go with the darker blue. See what happens if we take that over the red. So, pretty similar blend there between the two to make a purple color. What if we take a purple and go over the blue, take it at this end here, go into the reds. So there, we got a darker, I would call that a darker blue. We got some nice blues in here. This is the purple over the red, so we get a more brick color. The light blue with the purple gives us a more blue-purple color. Very similar to this one, even though those are definitely different colored blues there. So yeah, nice blending. Like I said, for 43 cents a piece, these are nice. I wish they had a brush tip to them, but for 43 cents you really can't be picky. So another Five Below recommendation from me for sure.